At a time when the markets are giving many investors a rough ride, Warren Buffett is buying the dip. The billionaire investor is adding several new major positions to his portfolio, as his investing conglomerate Berkshire Hathaway deployed more than $51 billion into stocks during the first quarter of 2022. This is Berkshire's biggest quarterly spending spree in recent history. Among the major purchases were 55 million shares of Citigroup, worth about $2.6 billion, and 69 million shares of Paramount Global, worth around $1.9 billion. Berkshire also made sizable purchases in two energy companies, Chevron and Occidental Petroleum, legacy tech company HP, and video game company Activision Blizzard. The total shares held by Berkshire for those companies are now roughly 159 million for Chevron, worth about $27 billion, 143 million for Occidental, worth about $10 billion, 121 million HP shares, worth over $4 billion, and 64 million shares of Activision, worth about $5 billion. Berkshire also notably exited two large stakes in the first quarter of 2022. Buffett sold all of his shares in Wells Fargo, which had previously been a top holding and part of his portfolio since 1989. He also sold nearly all of his $8 billion stake in telecom giant Verizon, holding just 1.4 million shares at the end of March, way down from the more than 150 million shares he owned at the end of December 2021. Buffett remains a top contender on the Forbes list, being the fifth richest person in the world with a net worth of about $113 billion.